Materials you need to make a scrunchie. The first thing on your list should be a hair tie. Make sure it is elastic and it's not something that can cut easily when you start to use it over and over. Up next is yarn. I'm using a milk cotton yarn and I'm using these 2 colors. You can use whatever color you desire. A pair of scissors. I'll be using 5mm crochet hook and tapestry needle. To start, you're just going to grab your yarn and your hook. The first thing I like to do is just tie the yarn on this. I'll just tie it like this, yes. So I'll not want to leave this tail end, but if you want to, you can choose to leave it. So we're going to be doing single crochet stitches all around for row 1. So just insert your hook underneath this hair tie like this, then pull this up and you're going to chain 2. That's the first step. So to make single crochet, you're going to insert your hook underneath this, yarn over and pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook and you yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. So that's your first single crochet stitch. So yeah, like this. Insert into the hair tie. So you're going to insert into the hair tie, yarn over, pull up a loop. So you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2. We're going to be doing this all around. I'm trying to hide this, that's why this one is here. But if you choose to leave it out and cut at the end, there is no problem. So make sure that your hair tie is not bending. It has to be like this, not twisted. So just continue doing single crochet stitches till the end. So we're almost done covering up this, so we'll keep doing single crochet stitches. Just insert here, insert into the hair tie, pull up a loop. You have 2 left and you pull it up. So I'm just going to do 1 more. Yeah, so it's all covered up now. So to join this, you're going to use a slip stitch to join this. So remember we chained 2 in the beginning, so you're just going to come on top of that second chain over here and you insert your hook and do a slip stitch. So I'm just going to insert this right here, okay, it's in now. And to do a slip stitch, you are going to yarn over like this, then pull through 2 like that. So that's how to join it. Now for the second row is quite different from the first row. To do the second row, you are going to chain 2, 1, 2, and we are going to be doing 3 double crochet stitches into 1 hole. Let me call it a hole or stitch. So this chain 2 counts as 1 double crochet. So I'm just going to do 2 extra. To do a double crochet stitch, you are going to yarn over, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 on your hook instead of 2 that we had in the single crochet, and yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is 2 double crochets already. So for the third one, you are going to yarn over, insert into the same stitch, because you know we're doing 3 double crochets in 1 stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So we just completed the first 3 double crochets. So into the next stitch, you are going to do 3 double crochet stitches. So the next stitch is right here. So you insert your hook and you do a double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Pull through 2 and pull through 2. 1. Second step, third step, and fourth step. So we have 2 already in one stitch. We need 1 more, like this. Insert, pull up a loop. We have 3 left. Pull through 2 and pull through 2. We are done with that on the second stitch. So I'm moving to the third one. We're going to be doing this all through. So you need to first know how to do double crochet stitches. So the third one and 3. So I have 1 more stitch left, and I'm going to do 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. To end row 2, we're going to do a slip stitch. So insert your hook here on top of the chain 2 that you did, and yarn over, pull through all 2 loops like this. So this is what we have from 2 rows. This is what your work should look like if you are doing 3 double crochet in each stitch. So for row 3, we are going to be doing 3 double crochet in each chains, in each space or stitch, however you want to call it. So to start row 3, you are going to chain 2, 1, 2. So we're going to do our first double crochet, our second double crochet rather, because this is already counting. 1, 2, and 3. So we'll move to the next one, which is this one. We'll do 3 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Move on to the next chain space. 1, 2, 3. So I'm almost done with round 3. This is what is left for me to do. You can see it's already giving a scrunchie. You can use a smaller hook if you don't want yours to look as big as this. So you can go a size smaller or a size bigger if you want yours to look bigger too. So I'm still doing 3 double crochet in a single stitch. So I'm almost done with round 3. This is the last one. And 3. So to end row 3, I'm going to insert my hook over here and do a slip stitch. But I want to change colors. I want to change to this in row 4. So I'm going to loosen this carefully. I want to change to that color, so what I'll do is I'll insert my hook over here and I'll have this tail, not too long, but at least long enough. I'll keep it at the back of my project and just insert and pull that way, and I'll pull these two tightly at the back. So I'm going to chain 2. For row 4, we're just doing 1 single crochet all through. So let me just cut this one over here. So I'm going to be doing 1 single crochet all through round 4. So into that first stitch, we're doing a single crochet. So single crochet, single crochet, single crochet. I'm hiding this tail because I don't just want to cut it at the end because I'm scared it's going to loose. So this is what it's looking like so far. And single crochet all through. So I have 1 more single crochet to do in this stitch and I'll be done. So we're going to do a slip stitch like we've been doing in other rows. So just insert your hook and pull through both loops. So the 4th row is the last row. As you can see, our scrunchie is done. So I'm just going to cut this off. We're going to fasten off. So to end your work, you would yarn over and pull through that loop. So I don't want to be lazy and just cut this off because I feel it's going to, start to loosen up real soon. So I'm just going to use this tapestry needle. This is what it looks like now, and we are done. I made this with a 5mm hook. And I made this with a 4.0mm hook, and I made this with a 5.0mm hook. This one is looking bigger or chunkier than this one, and I used the same method in making them both. So you're just going to decide which one you want. You can go a hook size smaller or bigger, however you like it. So this is the scrunchie.